If you explode anything, remember it's right.
Just place those cards on the front of the station for me. Yes. Just drop the card right here on the front. How are you doing? Welcome. How are you? Didn't expect that. Yes. Welcome to Savi's workshop. We're so excited you found us. These are the gatherers assisting you with the building moment. You may call me Handbuilt. So please take a quick look around. I know what you're thinking, that all this looks like just a lot of old junk. Let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk. I'll make a better explain. We call ourselves the Gatherers. So called because we search the galaxy for all these ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged systems. What we find, we bring it in here, so a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, while those who know see priceless history. For in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Speaking of the past, I trust you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker. Perfect. We hear now there is another, finally a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, precisely. What Rey is now leading, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for all this time. Perhaps that is why you are all here this evening, to look ahead, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber, wielded by our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. Elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. So let's begin with the most important element of a lightsaber. The Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the saber. The color of the crystal will always determine the color of the weapon's blade. We've seen these in the greatest Jedi legends in history. The blue crystal. Favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Master Qui-Gon Jinn, Padawan Ahsoka Tano, Yoda himself and Luke. Violet, a beautiful rare crystal, favored by powerful Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the Crystal of Power, favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Vader, and I believe a youngling just said my favorite. Was that correct? Excellent work. But this is all tales of the past. We are here for you, our future. It's time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes. Clear your mind. Picture your Kyber crystal. Which color calls to you? It is likely the crystal itself is choosing you. Good, open your eyes. And please select your Kyber crystal. Is just perfect, builders, if you could carefully place the crystals into the little green crystal holder just on the workstation in front of you there. Excellent. For it is time to prepare for the construction of your hilts. First, we'll place before you the selection you previously made. And from there, you'll select the precise components to design and construct your signature lightsaber's hilt. Think of the hilt as the foundation of the saber, your center of control, and the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So in the box, you'll see the chassis. On the other side are activation plates. We'll select 2 of the 4 grips before fixing a bladed middle and then a pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a deeply personal journey. The gatherers and I are here to guide you through every part of this process. So builders, may I ask you something? Are you ready? Yes. Perfect, let's build.
Right, so travelers, we're going to help you today to build the lightsaber, okay? So it's going to want your chassis and your cabin. The tip of the chassis is looks like the borders there is either the pointy part or the gray line right here. Select that dot right here. The pointy part is on.
This is the hardest part of the build, so can you read it up?
All the way down here, it lights up like this. This is the most difficult part of the build. So when you get done with this, the rest is going to be easier. You need to have this here. You hold it up.
Jax, you struggling?
Like the Skywalker saber itself, a guardian. I love it. What's your color there? Wow. A vanguard, very powerful. Well done, you
Do you
two.
like it? Would you like to change anything on your hill?
Wow. How does it feel? Yes.
Sounds good. Looks good. It's perfect. Now, at the moment of the activation, we're going to all activate together as a group. So when Kevin says, put your hand on your hilt, activate, we're going to slide up your switch. For the activate, slide it down, okay? Congratulations.
As we were just saying, this is a very dangerous part. Would everybody please take a giant but careful step back? Thank you, my friends. Only for a moment, but make no mistake. Well, it's the bantha in the room, but this is the most dangerous part of our entire construction process. As this skilled team of gatherers very carefully prepares your hilts for their first activation in our stabilization chambers. Now, are you ready to take the first step? What is that?
Many parts silver now joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forever forged. In a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards and place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber. On my signal, you will activate them for the first time. Builders, are you ready? Then move towards your hilts, my friends, and place a hand gently on its activation switch. Remember that switch? And activate! Yes! Yes! And raise your lightsabers! You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi! And the 45% Sith before you. And like them, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. They're amazing. For a moment, deactivate the lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Grand Master Yoda. Builders, I suggest just for a moment we remain deactivated, as you are holding remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. We'll have a saber sheath to protect that shooting heart. For our time, it's now at an end. Yours, just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. You are as unique, as extraordinary as the lightsabers you've created. And next time, we could be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate. Fill the fire.
Fill the spire!
Congratulations, my friends. The galaxy awaits. Resume the first group from the Well done. That's a good idea.